So the other day I published this video.
This is your sign to head down to your local Lowe's. If you're interested in butcher block countertops, because they just got a new brand in. Which means the old brand is on clearance.
And I started getting comments like this. And one thing became incredibly obvious. A lot of you do not know how to shop the clearance section of the big box stores. So let me explain. When an item goes on clearance, the first thing that happens, obviously, is the price gets reduced. A lot of the time, the price only gets reduced by a little bit, say maybe 10%. And oftentimes, 10% of retail is still pretty close to full price. That's not where the savings is. The longer the product sits, the more the price drops, until eventually, in some cases, the product just gets thrown away if it can't be sold, because it's worth more in the trash than it is taking up valuable shelf space. Now, the next time you're shopping the clearance section at your local big box store, here's what I want you to do. Look for the nearest person who looks like they're in charge, walk up to them and say, "Hey man, I'll give you $5 for it." If they say yes, great. If they laugh and say they can't do that, respond with, "Well, what can you do?" They will either direct you to the person who can make that kind of choice, or if you've got the right person, they will look up the price, see how long it's been sitting on the shelf, and see how bad they want to get rid of it. And sometimes they will knock 50, 75% off the price. And guess what? I've gotten things for a few bucks just for asking. Faucets, bathtubs, shower fixtures, things that would have cost me hundreds, even thousands of dollars for $5, $10, $20. Do it. You'll be surprised. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.